If Ebuka dies today, what will happen to the minister? Who will take over? If Ebuka is a Catholic, if he dies today, who will take over? Submitted to the Pope, to the Bishop, submitted to the Bishop, to the church. Father Njoko, the priest that trained Father Mbaka in Upper Room Ministry in Enugu, when he died, a priest from Enugu diocese took over. Father Njoko is from Imo State. These are where we are trying to bring Ebuka. I'm not jealous of Ebuka's gift. Oh, God forbid. Why would I be jealous? I have my own calling from the beginning. So, Ebuka, the question is, who will succeed him? All those people who are donating money in Zion ministry were not baptized by you. I'm sure.
The type of jealousy people in Enwezi, every prophet Ebuka Obi no, is getting out of hand. Mmadụ nọrọ oburu camera ti onwe na-akọ ife gbasara prophet Ebuka Obi. A na-ajụ gịnị ka prophet Ebuka Obi mere people? Gịnị ka prophet Ebuka Obi mere people? Onye chegide ife ogeji wetere ndị online ọ bụ ife people geji kwuo okwu maka ọgbọ prophet Ebuka Obi afa. Ma ndị pastor na-atakụ prophet Ebuka Obi, ma ndị native doctor na-atakụ prophet Ebuka Obi. Ọsọsọ ya nwa bụ prophet nọ na this Igbo land. Ọsọsọ ya nwa bụ a prophet, ọsọsọ ya bụ evangelist nọ na this Igbo land. Why some people ji nwee hatred ebe this man na-agba prophet Ebuka Obi? Look at this old man. Yeah, this old man put online na-akọ the type of thing on aka. Well, may play you in the full video. Ko not up if this man na-ekwu gbasara prophet Ebuka Obi. Just watching this video, but please, when I'm watching this video, please don't forget to share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Ebuka, the question I will ask those who are following you, those who are giving you money from America, billions and billions and billions. I don't have nothing now. I'm a poor man. The question I'm asking, and I just asked a priest this question this morning. The question I'm asking is this: all this money you are donating to Zion ministry, those in America, those in Europe, billions of dollars or naira. If Ebuka dies today, what will happen to the ministry? Who will take over? If Ebuka is a Catholic, if he dies today, who will take over? Submitted to the Pope, to the Bishop, submitted to the Bishop, to the church. Father Njoko, the priest that trained Father Mbaka in Upper Room Ministry in Enugu, when he died, a priest from Enugu diocese took over. Father Njoko is from Imo State. These are where we are trying to bring Ebuka. I'm not jealous of Ebuka's gift. Oh, God forbid. Why would I be jealous? I have my own calling from the beginning. So, Ebuka, the question is, who will succeed him? All those people who are donating money in Zion ministry were not baptized by you. I'm sure of years. Yes. Okay. One saint was boasting about how he used to fast. After all their fasting, the devil will attack him. After all his fasting, this saint is a monk. He lives in desert. After all the fasting, the devil will attack him. But do you know what he did? The devil came to him one time. I said to him, "You are boasting about your fasting. Are you aware that I have not eaten for many years?